I'm the author of The Art of Poetry.
Yes.
I'm going to share a poem with you now. So you can have a feel of what...
You sound like a magician doing that a while ago. Yeah.
Thank you. I mean, we're creating magic.
Yes.
So who says true love stands? I glimpsed at the lips of beauty and lust consume me like a beast. I can feel my heart getting larger. I can feel my heart a beast. Now I'm burdened with all this feeling. I feel the wobbling in my knees, emotion running like Forrest Gump in a happy tease. I hope that all that's happening won't get dumped. When the season sees, I hope my passion won't change like maple leaves. Forever flavor my soul with your sweet syrupy aroma that is sending scents to my nose. So I already knew it was a true love before I sneezed. Allergic reaction to attraction, she's making me wheeze. I'm losing my breath. Is this love worth dying for? Are we social suicidal soulmates that existed before? I feel as if I'm the Black Romeo and she's my Ebony Juliet and we live life like a Shakespeare sonnet. Our love is to be or not to be, poetry projected on the green
So the only
screens.
thing that is left is for the ring to come out. But this is the kind of poetry that people are coming to share in a space.
Yes, and we're focused on poetry. However, we incorporate all the other unconventional art forms in the experience, you know.
One setting.
It's like looking at a million butterflies,
yes.
You know, and I'd said that prior, and I can't wait until we reach a space where we're able to have this physical exchange, because the virtual exchange, there's something missing. That exchange of energy, it's not happening, you know. So I'm really hoping this phase that we're in now, as a nation, as a world in right now, we can overcome it soon, you know.